The climate of India is described as the monsoon type. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word monsoon, which literally means season. Monsoon refers to seasonal reversal. Reversal means change in the wind direction during a year. Our India has monsoon type of climate. Different seasons occur in different months because of the change of the direction of wind. In Asia, this type of climate, monsoon type of climate, is found mainly in the southern and southeast Asia. Despite an overall unity in the general pattern, there are perceptible recent variations in climatic conditions within the country. Generally, our India has monsoon type of climate, but in different regions, different climate prevails. Let us take two important elements, temperature and precipitation, and examine how they vary from place to place and season to season. In summer, during the summer season, the mercury occasionally touches 50 degrees in some parts of Rajasthan desert, where it may be around 20 degrees Celsius in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir. On winter night, temperature at Dras in Jammu and Kashmir may be as low as minus 45 degrees Celsius. Thiruvananthapuram, on the other hand, may have temperature of 22 degrees Celsius. In certain places, there is a wide difference between day and night temperature. In the Thar desert, the day temperature may rise to 50 degrees Celsius and drop down to near 15 degrees Celsius on the same night. There are some places where temperature changes in a day, like the example of Thar desert. In daytime, temperature reaches 50 degrees Celsius, whereas at night it drops to 15 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, there is hardly any difference in day and night temperature in Andaman Island and Kerala. Let us now look at the precipitation. Rainfall. There are variations not only in the form and type of the precipitation but also in its amount and seasonal distribution. In different regions, precipitation occurs in different forms. Like for example, in the northern region, precipitation means the falling of water from the atmosphere. It takes place in the form of snow, whereas in other portion it takes in the form of rainwater. The annual precipitation varies from over 400 cm in Meghalaya to less than 10 cm in Ladakh and western Rajasthan. There is difference in the amount of precipitation. In Meghalaya, annual precipitation is sometimes over more than 400 cm, but in Ladakh and Rajasthan, mainly in the western Rajasthan, sometimes precipitation is less than 10 cm. Most part of the country receive rainfall from June to September, but some parts like Tamil Nadu coast get a large portion of its rain during October and November. In major portion of India, rainfall occurs during the month of June to September, but in Tamil Nadu coast, rainfall mainly occurs during October and November. In general, coastal area experience less contrast in temperature condition, means the difference in temperature in the coastal area is very less, which is very high in the interior of the earth. There is decrease in rainfall generally from east to west in the northern plains. As we move in the northern plains, as we move from east to west, rainfall also starts decreasing. This variation has given rise to variety in lives of people in terms of food they eat, the clothes they wear, and also the kind of houses they live in. So because of difference in temperature, because of difference in rainfall, there is difference in the living habits of people living in different reason. The clothes they wear is different, the kind of house where they live is different, the foods which they eat are also different.